Getting some nice acupuncture treatment right now. That scared the shit out of me, dude. Before this video gets too awesome, quick disclaimer. This video is going to be a little dark in its first 2 to 3 minutes, and you can't really blame me for it. So please, bear with it for a while. Back to the video. Alright, another day, another ride. Today is 15th of August, Independence Day. And happy Independence Day, first of all, to everyone. I feel like I'm talking in my school assembly. Good morning, one and all. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we have assembled here to celebrate Independence Day by flag hoisting, followed by some national songs, along with a speech by our chief guest. Man, the nostalgia. Anyway, unfortunately we don't have... Oh, we do have a chief guest, by the way. My long lost brother, to whom I've not met in a long while. Mortal Moto. I'm riding with Mortal Moto today.
Hello there.
And where am I riding to?
I don't know.
The destination is something called as Yeur Hills. Yeah, that's right. Yeur Hills. It's about what? It's near Thane somewhere, and I need to fuel up. And I'm not sure why this ABS light is on. As far as I know, there's something wrong with the sensors. That's why it's always on, and it shouldn't be on, by the way, ideally. So I need to do something about it. I need to get it fixed because ABS is a crucial thing, and I don't need to, and I shouldn't be ignorant towards it. It has started raining, and I'm not surprised. I'm actually prepared for the rains today. So even if it does, even if it rains, it's fine. Today rain has got a free pass from me. Just because you've got a free pass doesn't mean you should pour the entire day. So please, stay in your limits.
इसकी गारंटी मैं नहीं दे सकता.
Yeah, so Yeur Hills, am I right? Let's see what I've not even looked it up on internet. How is the destination like? I had actually no plans of going anywhere out because I know that many riders will be out on this day, calling it a freedom ride. So I actually didn't have any plans, but then Moto was like, yo, it's been really long since we've caught up, so why not today? So I was like, fine, let's just do it, man. So here we are. Here we are. Here I am. This is me. There's nowhere else on earth I'd rather be. The song is so suitable at this moment of time. But hey, use your looping, please. This feels so good, man. I just hope there's no traffic. Well, who am I kidding? Oh, I need to keep my distance. I'm actually up for water from the above, not from the ground. And by the way, I had plans to just edit the video and publish it today, man. Today is 15th of August, right? So, but I've like half worked on the video yet. I've not completely done it. So, but then I was like, it's a Sunday and it's early in the morning. Why not just go for it, dude? You guys can understand, right? A one-day delay is fine.
अभी आप नीचे कमेंट देखिएगा कि क्या बदतमीजी इस वक्त चल रही है कमेंट में.
Although I'm not taking this for granted, but you're getting more content, right? You're getting another video by waiting just one day. I'll go home. I actually even haven't slept in the night because this is actually that happens to everyone. If you're riding the next day, you're very excited, and in that excitement you just can't sleep at all. Okay, we've reached the meeting spot, the meeting ground. Let's see if Mortal has reached, or are we repeating history now?
Sorry, Babu.
I better go on that side of the road. What do you say? Oh, perfect man. भाई क्या टाइमिंग है यार.
मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था, देव मानुस निकला. Suddenness.
53 मिनट्स दाखवत आहे. हाँ 28 किलोमीटर्स. भाई क्या टाइमिंग है यार, क्या टाइमिंग. Amazing. All right, back to highways. This oh man, this feeling never gets old, dude. Open highways are never going to get old. Early in the morning with yellow lights on the streets, especially. Woo! No matter how old I get, this feeling of freedom is never going to get old. Except for dealing with idiots on the road. Another set of riders. Today we are going to come across a lot many riders, dude. Where are these people coming from the wrong side? Is that road under construction? Maybe. Even if it's not, I'm not even surprised. What bike is that, dude? It's actually very loud. Too loud, dude, too loud. Full कर दो. Full नहीं, full कर दो, चलो. Okay, I'm already hungry. I've just fueled up. Yep, it has to rain right now. When we don't have a chance to stop and wear the raincoat. भाई मजाक मजाक में बहुत भीग गया यार. That was a mandatory rain jacket wearing break. Because rain just decides, let's mess with these for a while. And it has to stop now. Once we wear our raincoats, it obviously has to stop. Now it won't rain for the next 2 hours. No matter how much I prepare myself for the rain, it still manages to piss me off somehow. This is exactly why I hate it. I feel like a bulletproof, dude. I mean, my jacket feels like a bulletproof jacket. I can't feel any droplets on my upper body, but my lower body is getting some nice acupuncture treatment right now. My legs, especially my knees. They're gone, dude. They're done. Oh, thanks for that. Auto drivers never cease to leave me dry. Damn. I seriously need to change my rain pant, dude. It doesn't seem to work. Oh god, I can literally feel water seeping into places it's not supposed to. My day is going to be amazing today. Why am I laughing at this? I'm going to suffer. I have no idea if you guys can see what's going on in front of me. Wow, that rhymed. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on in front of me.
हमने अपना काम कर दिया, अब आप अपना काम करके दिखाओ. आपकी पावर है, तो जो भी प्रोसीजर करने आप प्रोसीजर करा के अब आप करा के दिखाओ ना, जैसे हमने करा के दिखा दिया. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
Dude, what is this? This location seems very, very sketchy, huh? Udyan means park or what is it? Continue for 2 kilometers it seems. What the hell? I got scared for a second. Holy shit, this is very spooky, man. Really need some good ovaries to walk alone on this road. Okay, I can't see anything. Well, there are ghats, but I can't really have good fun on this because the roads have zero traction right now. Never expected a ghat at this time of the day. I just hope I don't come across a fucking leopard or a tiger or something. This is very, very spooky, dude. I have no idea if you guys can see it through the camera, but holy fuck. Please don't wear white gowns so early in the morning. Come on. That scared the shit out of me, dude. What are people doing so early in the morning over here, man? Like, this area also seems like so remote. Then what are people doing here? Started pouring, dude. And 200 meters slight left. Holy shit. Rider Anurag was naive enough to believe that he is on his way to a peaceful getaway. Little did he know that this was about to turn really dark and something he's going to regret. Dude, this Google is taking us in circles, dude. I've taken 3 lefts as of now. Okay, turn left and turn right. Copy that. Right when he began to realize that this is a mistake and he's in trouble, it was too late. The roads got narrower and the walls started closing in. Rider Anurag had gotten himself into a dark corner. What? We've reached? What the f***? Holy shit. Mortal, are you going to kill me at this location? क्या भाई मेरे को मर्डर करने का प्लान है क्या?
Developing tonight, road rage lands a motorcyclist in a hospital with a gunshot wound.